Hello Sagittarius. Welcome to the channel. This is Asnointia here. For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. This is a general love reading. For those of you who are connecting with someone on a romantic level, I'll be looking into the feelings and emotions of what they're feeling currently. This reading is meant for the first half of March 2021. And I will be using the Goddess Oracle deck by Amy Sophia Marashinsky. Yikes. Oh no. Oh goodness me. Guys, sorry. 1 second. That was a struggle. Okay. Now let's be careful with these cards. Wow, you have a lot of hesitation from the person that you're connecting with, Sagittarius. And you have doubt. Under the bottom of the deck, you have opening. All right. So, Sagittarius, you have here centering, boundaries, inspiration, followed by fear, surrender, hearth and home, doubt. Under the bottom of the deck, you have opening. All right. So I'm going to express to you what it is that this person is feeling towards you currently. My dear Sagittarius, you make me feel so grounded. There are things about you that make me feel very balanced. I'm able to center myself and not feel scattered. I'm able to focus. When you're not in my life, everything seems out of balance, topsy-turvy. My connection with you feels very much like you bring out the yin and the yang. If I am the moon, you are my sun. Perfect harmony, perfect balance. Spiritually, I feel this. And yes, there are a lot of boundaries. I do have, and I have put up a lot of boundaries. Because what I've done has created a lot of hesitation. I don't know how to deal with this situation that I'm in with you right now. And so it's better for me to just simply put up boundaries and not deal with it at all. There is a sense of inspiration. You do inspire me. The world smells better, sounds better, tastes better, feels better, knowing that you exist in it. Just knowing that you're around makes things much better. You are my muse. But the thought of you and being close to you and opening up to you, it really makes me nervous. There is so much nervousness. I don't trust myself. There's this lack of self-confidence. There's fear, there's paranoia, and insecurity. I don't feel sure about myself. And I also am worried about what the future may hold. The future is uncertain. And where there is uncertainty, I feel fear, because that is different. Anything that's different scares me. There's a part of me where I have surrendered my heart, my mind, and my body to you. All of me to you. And I feel and I know that you have unconditional love for me. I want to give you similar things that you've given to me. You take care of me emotionally. You have this nurturing quality, this protection, this caring nature that you have is very beautiful, and it is very strong. In you I find a hearth and home. Wherever you are, that is where home is. And I don't see how I would be able to keep away from you. You are someone I'm very close to. I have felt the feeling of family and comfort when I'm with you. You make me feel that way. But in my heart, I do feel a sense of doubt because of these fears, because of this insecurity. Will this even work out between the both of us? I have doubts. And I don't trust myself either. I don't know if I should move forward or just stay where I am. Should I keep up these boundaries? What I really want to do is open up to you. Open up and talk about certain things that I haven't. I've hidden things deep down in my heart. Have not told you. And I do feel that it's important to open my heart up to you and let you know how I truly feel about us, about the situation. Yes, I do find it's important. All right, Sagittarius. There's boundaries and there's fear. The person is afraid, and therefore they have put up boundaries. The reason why you have distance is because of this. And even if they thought they were sure, they are second-guessing themselves. They don't know 100%. They're actually not so sure. But what they do want to do is certain things were not spoken, certain things were hidden in the past, and now they want to open up to you and talk to you about those things that were hidden. We have here the Lover's Path Tarot. So let's have a look at one of the main issues. What's causing an issue in this connection from this person? Sacrifice. And then we have here the King of Coins. Sorry guys, 1 second. There. The King of Coins, and then you have Sacrifice. The King of Coins does talk about the need of this individual to be more realistic. So it seems as if this person was not realistic. They were living more in a fantasy when they were with you. Everything was just an illusion. So they weren't really thinking about real life issues, real life problems. Being with you was like a fairy tale come true, like a dream come true. And then we have here involvement with people who may promise more than they are able to deliver. Oh dear. So Sagittarius, you may have been involved in a person who promised a lot, who said a lot. However, when the time actually came to do something, it turns out they were not who they said they were. Their behavior, their actions were completely different. Now you have here Sacrifice. This talks about feeling unable to make the sacrifice that a situation requires. They're creating difficulties for themselves. Now, we have here being caught between worlds. Short-term sacrifice to reach a long-awaited goal. Taking care of others' needs, even if they're not in your personal interest. Gaining compassion from difficult experiences. So yes, this person is starting to gain compassion towards you. However, this person, Sagittarius, is making a sacrifice. They are not with you because they are having issues with someone else. They are fulfilling the needs of someone else. Now, this is just for a handful of people. This person that you're dealing with is busy helping someone else in whichever capacity. And this help is actually causing their energy to be scattered. And so they're not dedicating themselves to you because their focus is somewhere else. Now this could be literally taking care of a family member, taking care of a loved one who might be sick, paying the bills, having a few jobs, trying to make ends meet. This person's energy is scattered. So you have here the beginner tarot deck. Okay. Well, you do have here the Queen of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Wow, somebody's very passionately wanting to be with you, and there is love here. Somebody wants a second chance, and they want a passionate second chance. They want the second chance to be quite passionate. They're also wanting to come back into your life with an offer. This person is going to take their time. But when they do, it's not going to be something that was rushed. It will be something slow and steady. And that will be a solid offer. Solid because it's slow and steady. The person is in hermit mode. That's why. They are thinking long and hard about this connection. They are thinking, why is this connection the way that it is? How can I fix it? How can I make things better? So there's going to be a lot of thinking going on. And the person is going to reach out to you. There is a lot of love here. Unconditional love. Beautiful love. And there is passion. This person wants to be physically intimate with you. We have here the Two of Wands. Finally, they're going to make a decision and they want you. So yes, are there any actions going to be taken? It does seem like it. And if they're not physically taking it right now, energetically, they are feeling it. And they're wanting to take those actions. These are also intentions. Something that this individual is thinking and feeling, what they want to do. All right, I have here Doreen Virtue, Archangel Answer cards. Just going to do a quick prayer. So these messages are brought to you by Archangel Michael, Raphael, and Gabriel. We have here meditation brings answers. So this is praying. This is you praying to the Christ consciousness, and behind Christ we have the Holy Light of God, the Father. That is Jehovah. So here meditation is literally praying. So it doesn't have to be a long time. The intention and the faith is what counts. Keep your intention and faith real, and you will get answers. So you can pray here to Jesus, and through Jesus you can get to Jehovah. Once you're in that state, at the higher level frequency that you're going to be praying, that's your brain frequency is different. You will be connecting with them. Ask them to give permission to Archangel Michael, Raphael, and Gabriel to guide you and to protect you throughout the entire situation. Ask the angels for help. So we do not pray to angels, but we do ask them and we give them our respect. They're here to help us, humans. Remain positive. The situation will improve if you believe it will. So you're going to manifest this on your own. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ask your angels. Definitely. Sagittarius, if you have not been as spiritual before, this is the time to become a bit of a believer, because it does talk. You have two cards here that are talking about meditation brings answers, and ask your angels. The answers are going to be given to you through divine intervention. Here it talks about letting go. So let go of the feelings and emotions, the energy that you're putting into this person. Very soon you will start to notice that they will find you irresistibly attractive, and they're going to want you back. And you will have a peaceful resolution. If you guys have been separate for a while, you are going to feel that the outcome, the situation is going to be better than what it was before. Under the bottom of the deck, you do have here, there's something better. The way I see this right now, what I'm interpreting this as is the connection that you're in right now. You might think that this is okay. However, keep in mind, the angels are saying here that things are going to have a little bit of an upgrade in your connection. Things are going to get better. There's something better. For some of you, the other storyline here is the situation will improve. Stay positive, because when you let go, there is going to be a peaceful resolution. However, you are tired of the connection at this point, and you may want to look further elsewhere, somewhere where there's someone else you might want to find and date or be with. We have here, there's something better. So there is something better for you as well. There's two meanings to these cards here now. So these guidance cards have split now. Either way, your hearts are going to be happy. The situation will improve. And the way the angels work is that they do look for your higher, greater good. What is it that's going to make your soul happy? Not your body happy, but your soul. Once your soul is satisfied and it's happy, the vibrational level changes. You start seeing, numbers, synchronicities. You become one with a certain level of, I guess you could call it like different dimension, but you easily get what you want. It's kind of like manifesting, because you're believing it and you're remaining positive, and you're dealing with beings that are not from planet Earth. And what happens is you will start to increase your vibrational level, and you will start to manifest these things into your life. However, you have to remain positive, because you will attract positive energy into your life. All right, guys. I hope I was able to provide you with some clarity, some guidance. Do let me know in the comments below, and thank you so much for tuning in. So I will see you guys again in mid-March. Take care and stay safe. Bye now.